Hello everyone, hi, and welcome back to R for Research and Data Science. Now let me show you how to get R and Rstudio on your computer. First, we will download R. We will type r-project.org. Then this page will appear. We will click on Cran Mirror. Then cloud.rproject.org. Then you will choose your system. For me it's Windows. Then I will choose install R for the first time, first time. Then you will click on download R this version. It will start to download. Then I want to download Rstudio. In the first, Rstudio not a program or an application in its own. It's a computer language like Python and C and so on. To use R, you write commands in it and ask your device to interpret them and act on their instructions. Rstudio is an integrated development environment for R that makes writing programs are a lot easier. Just go to your browser again and type Rstudio like this, rstudio.com. Then click on download. Then we will choose our system. For me it's Windows 10. Click on Rstudio and we'll start download. Click on start. I download that. There is an order for installing R and Rstudio. You should start with R, then Rstudio. The reverse is wrong. We will install R. Okay. Next. By default, next, and 12p installed. So after installing R, we will install Rstudio as integrated development environment for R. R installing finish. Then I will install Rstudio. Next, install. Rstudio now installing. Next, I will show you how to make your way through Rstudio environment. Installing. Now it's finished. That's for this lesson, everybody. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.